Hi, I'm Zach Whitten, one of the developers here at Variphy on the product development team. We're really excited to bring you 12.4, our newest release. We've got enhancements to features across the entire application. So let's dive right in. So first up, we've got some additional analytics to related calls in a sequence. Previously, you could only pull in calls directly related to your search criteria and their related calls. Now you'll be able to pull in related calls of those related calls to get an entire picture of the whole sequence involved in a call. Next up, we've added the ability to search on and display wrap-up reason in your UCCX reports and wallboards. We've gotten a lot of requests for this feature, and we're really excited to bring it to you. It gives you a whole new way to search into your data. Also related to UCCX widgets, we've added the ability to use call detail search sets within UCCX widgets. For those of you who are familiar with CUCM and Cube widgets, this should be very familiar. This gives you the ability to control which calls are used to create the statistics within the widget. Next up, we've added a rolling time window cache to our CDR data widgets. This allows us to perform smaller, more efficient queries to provide the same data, and this cache is available for our CUCM and Cube widgets. Next up, we've added some enhancements to our report scheduling. We've added by month and quarterly reporting. The by month feature allows you to select specific months you'd like your reports to be run. This is available for all analytics report types, as well as built comparison and snapshot reports. We've added a new application privilege, which allows non-admin users to share dashboards with any other users they'd like. Another cool feature we've added is the ability to copy entire dashboards. Now you can copy any of your own dashboards or dashboards that were shared with you. This allows you to have variations of the same dashboard without modifying the original. Another exciting feature we've added that I know a lot of you have been asking for is the ability to search across multiple DID block and sites. Also related to DID, we've added the ability to have blocks which consist of non-dialable numbers. This includes numbers that start with 0. Lastly, we know that data security is important to everyone these days, so we've added brute force login protection to the application. You can now configure a set number of failed login attempts for any of your users. This allows you to lock users out for a configurable amount of time should they fail that number of login attempts. Thanks for joining me today to find out what's new in Variphy's 12.4 release. If you'd like a deeper dive into any of these new features, check out our webinar for 12.4 at the link below. And if you'd like to see what we have coming up in future releases, join us on Planet Variphy. From us here at Variphy, happy holidays.